Hello everyone, Embedded and Real-Time Systems MCQ. Which of the following are header files? Option A includes the standard C compiler used for Unix system. Option A CC. Which type of non-processor modes in entered due to the rising of the high priority of interrupt? Option C fast interrupt mode FIQ, where the mode generally enter an. Option D an atom access memory fails. Option D, which one of the following is also called loader? Option A linker. Mention that which one of the following gives the final controller to the programmer. Option A linker. Which assembler option is used to turn off long or short address optimization? Option B. Which one of the following allows the reuse of the software and hardware component? Option C. Platform based design. Embedded system application typically involves processing information as distance. Option A. The following is design in which both the hardware and software are considered during the design. Option A. Software hardware code design. API stands for Address Programming Interface. API stands for Address Programming Interface. Option C. The loop are interchangeable in which design activity. Option B. High level transformation. Which one of the following function can interrupt data in C language? Option B. Scanf. Which is first stage of the compilation process? Option A. Pre-processing. Which of the following produces an assembler file in compilation process? Option C. Compiler. Which file is converted to object files? Option D. Assembly file. Which of the following contains hexadecimal code? Which of the following processes the source code before it goes to the compiler? Option C. Preprocessor. Which of the following allows the programmer to define constant? Option A. Preprocessor. Which statement replaces all occurrence of the identifier which is string? Option A. Define identifier string. Which of the following has include file? Option C. Preprocessor. Which statement is used to condense the code to improve eligibility? Option A. Define macro. Which of the following allow the reuse of the software and hardware platform based design? Option A. Which of the following is design in which both hardware and software are considered during the design? Option C. Option C. Software hardware co-design. What does API stands for? Application Programming Interface. Which activity is concerned with the identifying the task at the final embedded system? Option D. Task level concurrency management. In which design activity the loop are interchangeable? Option C. High level transformation. Which design activity helps in transformation of the floating point arithmetic to fixed point arithmetic? High level transformation. Option A. Which design activity is in charge of mapping operation to hardware? Option C. Hardware software partitioning. Which of the following is approximated during the hardware software partitioned during task level concurrency management? Option A. Scheduling. Which of the following is process of analyzing the set of possible design? Option A. Design space. Which of the following is maintain middle approach? Option B. Platform based design. When should company stop the testing of particular software? It depends upon the risk for the system being tested. Which traditional order in software testing is honest? Option C. White box testing is known as all of the above: structural testing, code based testing, clear box testing. Validation refers to the different set of tasks. Ensure that software that has been built traceable customer requirement. Option C. Validation. System testing verifies that all elements mesh properly and overall system performance is achieved. Option D. System testing. What do you verify in white box testing? Option A. All of the above. Testing each statement, object and function, individual basis. Option D. All of the above. Dash refers to a set of tasks that ensures the software correctly implements a specific function. Option A. Verification. Who perform the acceptance testing? End users. Before handing over the software to the client, which testing is done in-house? Option A. Alpha. Choose the correct options. Unit testing focuses verification effort to the smallest unit of software design. In general, unit testing is done by software developer. Unit testing comes under white box testing. Unit testing comes under black box testing. Statement 1, 2, 3 are correct. Option A is the correct answer. Statement 1, 2, 3 are correct. The time taken to respond interrupt is known as option C, interrupt latency. How many part does the interrupt can split the software? Option A, 2. Which of the following allows the splitting of the software? Option C, interrupt. Which part of the software is transparent to the interrupt mechanism? Option A, background. Which part of the software perform task in responses to the interrupt? Option B, foreground. In which of the following method does the code in written in the state sequence? Option D. Which factor depends on the number of times of polling the port while executing the task? Option B, data transfer rate. Which of the following can improve the quality and structure of the code? Option B, subroutine. Just to go through all question. Which part of the software is transparent? Which part of the software is transparent to the interrupt mechanism? Background. Which of the following allows the splitting of the software? Option C, interrupt. How many parts does the interrupt can split in the software? Option A, 2. Option A, 2. The time taken to respond the interrupt is known as time interrupt latency. Before handing over the software to the client, which testing is done by house? Option A, alpha. Verification refers to the set task. The ensure software correctly implements specifies a function. Option A, verification. What to do verify in white box testing? Option A, all of the above. Test of each statement, expected output, the flow specific inputs through the code. System testing verifies the all element mesh properly. Overall system function performance is achieved. Validation refers to the different set of tasks ensure the software that has been built in traceable to customer requirement.